So today I'll give you two words as expressions and both remain in possessive forms. So now I would like to let you know how these two words will function. The first word is each other's or second one is one another's. Both are having same meaning. And you know what is the meaning of these two words? एक दूसरे की. The Hindi meaning of these two words is एक दूसरे की के या फिर को. And now I would like to give you some examples and also I will tell you the difference between both words. Both words are having poles apart. It means world apart between them. I will let you know. First example. See the example. Sit an hour, look into each other's eyes. The first example is we will sit an hour and look into each other's eyes. What does it mean? इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? हम लोग 1 घंटे के लिए बैठेंगे और एक दूसरे की आंखों में देखेंगे. Look into each other's eyes. Whereas the translation for one another's, we will same thing once again I have written and only one change I have made and the change is one another's eyes. Same thing has been written like we will sit an hour and look into one another's eyes. यहाँ पर each other's eyes. अब the thing that has to be understood कि दोनों में difference क्या है. When you use each other's eyes मतलब यहाँ पर दो ही लोग हैं या दो ही स्टाफ है उनके बीच में ये बात हो रही है. और फ्लिप साइड टू द कॉन्ट्रेरी वन अनदर्स का इस्तेमाल तब करेंगे जब दो या दो से ज्यादा यानी दो से ज्यादा लोगों और उनकी बातें हो रही होंगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ध्यान समझो, यहां पर दो लोग बैठे हैं और एक दूसरे की आंखों में देखने की बात चल रही है और यहां पर वी है यानी कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं और ईच अदर आंखों में देखने की बात चल रही है यानी दो से ज्यादा लोगों के आंखों में देखने की बात चल रही है. So this is how these two words perform. It means expressions in possessive forms. So now I would like to finish it off and I'll meet you in my next video. Goodbye. Do take care of yourself. Goodbye.